Hi guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a skull face for Halloween. So this is for beginners and kids and everyone. So let's get in here with a marker. Let's get started. It's going to be really easy. So right now we're going to start with a square. It's going to be the eye socket. It's going to be a rounded square, by the way. And then do the same shape on this end. Rounded square. Make it close enough. This one on the right's a little bit bigger, but that doesn't matter. You can always adjust it. You can always make this one a little bit bigger. And then we're going to go in here to the nose, the nasal cavity. Make it round at the top-ish. Pulling in. Give it a little bit of a bump here, like coming in. Concave, I think, bump. And then we're going to go into the mouth. Pull across, up, cheekbone, cheekbone. I'm gonna pull down from the cheekbone, give it like a little kind of press square, and then down into the rest of the mouth. I'm going to fill in that shape, and what that is basically where the tooth cylinder, which is kind of the the mouth area, it ends, and you can see this negative space there. I'm going to fill in the nose area as well. Fill in the eyes. Again, like I say in every video, you have to get it all moist at the same time-ish. And then draw straight lines to divide up the tooth area. And there's no number of lines that you have to do. Just do what you can. It's really simple. Just fill in that area. And if you really want, you could kind of give it right here on the left side. Pull in a straight line here. Pull up. Draw a triangle there, and that represents the zygomatic arch. If you don't know how to draw a skull, let me know. I can link the ebook I have on how to draw skulls, but that is just a skull face, which is what we're after right now. Literally just kind of the face area. That's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was easy enough to kind of show this representation, and I will see you in the next video. Happy Halloween.